would do a quick video, but before I do that, I hope you all had a lovely bank holiday weekend. I'm just going to move something up the screen. Hope you had a lovely bank holiday weekend and you enjoyed some of the weather. The weather where we were wasn't too bad, but it is getting a little bit chilly in the morning now. So I've just had an email. So we start our next Pilates course on Friday. So I'm very, very excited to meet all of those lovely people that are joining us. And just wanted to speak to you about the pre-course jitters. And even I get them. You sign up for a course and then the day before you're thinking, shit, I don't know if I can do this. So I had a message from a lady who's had a couple of injuries prior to recently, so she's not been able to. Paul's giving me a cup of tea. Got it trained well. Just doing it live. So she's had a couple of injuries prior to, it was a lockdown, she said. So she's not been able to do much Pilates at all. So she's a bit out of practice. There's a few things that she's not going to be able to do because of the injury. She's broken something in her body, although she's fine. Recovered. So this is something that I get asked quite a lot when I speak to people when they're looking at doing their teacher training or maybe in emails and stuff, is I can't do a certain exercise. Does that mean I can't be a teacher? So especially in yoga, like I can't do a headstand or I can't do a wheel and all of those, extreme poses. So you don't have to be able to do all the exercises because we will teach you how to teach the exercises. So I always use Usain Bolt as an example. Do you think Usain Bolt's coach could run as fast as him? Probably not, because if he could, he'd be in the races as well. But it doesn't mean he's not a good coach. And some of the training, some of the exercises that we do on the teacher training course, and I think we have some teachers here in the group that have already done their teacher training, but we do some exercises, teaching skills exercises where, we teach you how to teach when you're not demonstrating. Because as a teacher, you shouldn't be demonstrating everything anyway. And there are some exercises which are more suitable to some people. Hi Lou! Yes, they are, exactly. Doing and teaching is completely two different things. I very rarely even get on the mat when I teach now because I'm watching what people's doing. Maybe if I've got beginners, I would do a demo and stuff. But this is all the stuff we cover on the course. So you'll see when we do the course that there's some exercises that Paul can't do. If you've got a really tight back, like specifically Pilates, then maybe rolling back like a ball is going to be a struggle for you. My hamstrings are not particularly the longest hamstrings, so there's some exercises that I find challenging. Yeah, exactly. So you can do exercise because of the shoulder injuries, but you can teach them. Yeah, exactly. If you don't know how to teach without demo, what happens if you break a leg or you break an arm or something? Maybe I had a really bad kidney infection one day and I still had to teach, but there's no way I could have got down on the floor and taught. So really guys, if there's exercises that you can't do, really don't let that stop you from taking your course. And like I said, it doesn't matter whether it's with me or another training provider. The more Pilates teachers and yoga teachers out there, the better for the world. So it doesn't matter where you do your training, but don't let it stop you just because you think you can't do one or two exercises or even 5 or 6 exercises. And not all exercises are suitable for every human physical body, and we cover that on the course. And you will find out on the course that actually not all the exercises are the best for certain people. So I hope that just gives you a little bit of background, a little bit of reassurance that we are not all elite gymnasts and ballet dancers and yogis that have been doing yoga for 50 years and can tie ourselves up in knots, because that's not very good for your body either. So I need a little bit of jealousy there. But if you've got any questions, please get in touch with me. You can either send me a private message on here or info@elitepilatesteachertraining.co.uk, and I would love to have a chat with you. So I will be posting lots of pictures and little lives here over the coming weekend of all our teachers on the course. So keep an eye out and you'll see what it's like when you can actually see us live. So have a lovely week, everyone, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.